Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to do this little video to document the sighting of a couple rare birds in the local area over the last couple weeks or so. Specifically, these birds showed up in the Kingston area along the Lake Ontario shoreline area. And I don't always get down to see such birds when they show up. It's about 50 minutes away for me to travel there. Not that far, but sometimes I just don't make it for whatever reason. I'm busy with other things, or I learn about it too late, that type of thing. But I was lucky enough in these cases to actually get down and with a little effort see them. So I just thought I'd document them in this video here and talk a little bit about the species that we're looking at. They're gorgeous birds, both of them. The first bird showed up at a local residence in Kingston, a suburban house, and the second bird showed up at a local park. These birds were initially identified by local birders that live in Kingston or close to Kingston and who are typically scouring the area almost on a daily basis to look for birds of all types. But it's always nice when you get to find rare birds like this. The first bird we're going to look at today is a western species. As you can see in this map, it breeds in western Canada and western United States. So here in Kingston, it is quite far out of range. The next rare bird we're going to look at today breeds in the eastern United States primarily, with small numbers coming into extreme southwestern Ontario, breeding in the Carolinian forest regions. Over the last few decades, there has been some expansion of the range to the north and east, with individuals showing up as far east as Kingston. Hooded warblers can be very secretive in their activities, staying well hidden within dense underbrush, so I wasn't sure if I'd see this bird when I came. But as soon as I got to the location, I could hear it singing, and it wasn't long before it showed up, coming up out of the underbrush and even going between different trees on site. On this cool May morning, the site was alive with warblers. Here's a Cape May warbler feeding amongst the local trees. They were singing regularly as well. And then a female yellow warbler was seen, showing a fairly greenish yellow overall tone to the body feathers. A palm warbler made an appearance, as did many yellow-rumped warblers, which were common in the trees above. And just before I left, a female cardinal came down onto the ground and graced me with her beauty.